Country Peony's getting a studio.
What was once a thriving grocery store and meat market, A.J. Chernishek Grocery closed its doors in 1965 in Ammonsville, Texas. We will use the wood and bring the stories from the beloved store back to life in the new Country Peony headquarters. My vision for the Country Peony studio is to create a space that inspires creativity, a space where I can house my beautiful vintage and handcrafted goods for Country Peony Vintage, and a space to host creative workshops. My design vision for the studio is Parisian farmhouse, hints of Country Peony's signature blush with pops of mint green and sparkles of brass. There will be hints of floral and vintage throughout to create a whimsical and feminine flair. We have already started construction on the new foundation, and the elevation will feature a charming front porch with beautiful black and white awning and large windows. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more, please visit countrypeony.com or feel free to follow me on Instagram or Facebook at The Country Peony. I'd love to have you there.